All right. I said I would take a look at some of my listings here. I haven't actually looked at some of their titles in a while, so this will probably be good for me. Today has not been a good sales day. I know that. 667, that's terrible. Okay, so let's look at the active listings. That's a brand name, but it's a pretty well-known brand name. You can see there's all very descriptive words in here. I might have started that out with Baby Bottle Warmer, but I mean, it's got 691 views. I think that's fine. Because again, Philips is a pretty well-known brand name. Let's look at another one here. I told you before, Ralph Lauren is something you want to definitely use. It's one of those that, we'll look at the more recent listings. That's been done recently. No, not there. Here. This, by the way, is how you can go. You're going to need a store eventually, before too much longer. And see it down to 3806. It's way down from before. I'm going to ship by or sort by most recently listed. Okay. Parking curb. Yeah, this is pretty good. I might put these dimensions in way at the end, but you can see this is a parking curb, and that's what's in the front. All these are probably garnished from the description of the actual item, so that's good. Let's look at this one. That's good. It's a travel trailer cover. Classic. Now they have the dimensions in here. This is probably one where dimensions is okay. I don't know what an HR pod is. I questioned that. But it might be something that they picked up from down here in the description of the item. I don't know where HR pod comes from. I don't know that. I might not have used that. Let's just look at another random one here. See, a lot of these things, I don't even know what they are, because I told her to list a lot in automotive, and obviously she's been doing that. Let's look at something that's not automotive. You can kind of look at these titles as I'm going down. See, this I don't like. Okay, I can see it's only got 2 page views. Starting anything with black and white is not good. This is a bench room. I'm going to change this right now. I don't like black and white in the beginning. That's a color description. It's very bad. I would probably not even put that in at all. So I'm going to get rid of it. Back hyper extension, I would probably put that in after bench, room, and chair. All right, get rid of that. And then let's just start looking for the categories. I mean, it's strength training benches. I might put yoga in there and fitness. Boom. Yeah, I don't like black and white in there at all. And this person did not put their initials in here. Shame, shame, shame. I don't know who listed this. Let's update that. I'm just looking at the ones that have been more recently done. But what you'll notice is the items with good description get a lot of views. And obviously, you won't get sales without views. So, you can just kind of look at these as I'm scrolling down. I'm not really paying attention to them too much. I want to get out of automotive because I don't really know automotive that well. Let's just go down to page 2. Alright, more automotive. So I got told to back off the automotive. We're not really selling a lot of them. Here's a good one to look at. Again, I don't like leading with this color. I'm probably going to give this to the girls so they can look at it. This is, again, something you might want to consider doing. Well, you're definitely going to want to get at some point. You're going to want to get something called Price Blink. It's a way to determine where the cheap sources are. We probably source this from Home Depot, but somebody has it for $115.49 at Walmart. So we need to add that in. We probably source it from here, which is way more expensive. This needs, I don't even know if that's going to be the same thing. It's so much cheaper. There it is. So what I would tell the girls to do, and this is one of the things you need SKU Grid for, is we can add this source. Oh, it's no longer available. Okay, so we can't do that. Alright, so I don't like black. And I don't like 18 4-drawer either. Not in there. So let's get rid of that. It's a metal file cabinet. Smooth close and open motion. That's fine. I wouldn't put width in there. Black 4-drawer. Filing cabinet. No, we already got that. Office furniture. Office furniture. 2 characters left. Bang. Done. And they're not doing this either. Wow. I don't know, girls, why these are not finished. Like, you know, you're supposed to be. There's no initials on this either. Now they do have a buy it now price, so that's good. Or I mean an offer on there. So I'm gonna update that one. Let's do one more. So yeah, girls, you need to be looking at this too because your titles are starting to get a little sloppier. Here. Let's just go to page 3 now and see what we got over there. Let's look at this one. True Temp sounds like a brand name. No. It's only got 5 views, and this thing was put up when? March 27th? That's not good. See, putting True Temp in the beginning is not good. I would probably do this as bottle feeding warming system. I might not even put True Temp in there at all. I don't like it. So I'm going to change this one too. Bottle feeding warming system removable cooler includes 2 cool packs. Got 9 characters left. Again, look at the categories here. Bottle and food warmer. Bottle feeding, I would put food in there. Food warming, 4 characters left. I wouldn't put includes. Doesn't really describe it. I would put baby in there. Baby feeding, or not baby feeding. baby. We need like another 8 words here. Okay, I know who this girl is. She's putting her name in there, which is good. 8-hour cooling. Let's see. Cool packs. 8 hours. Alright, so that's long enough for me talking. It's 10 minutes. We just revise this.